Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about PrimeBiome before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about PrimeBiome is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because PrimeBiome is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of PrimeBiome without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is PrimeBiome, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. PrimeBiome has helped thousands of women, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like Bacillus coagulans, babchi, inulin from dandelion, fenugreek, fennel, lemon balm, slippery elm bark, Ceylon ginger, and lion's mane mushroom. These components work together to restore balance in your gut microbiome, improve digestion, and support healthy, glowing skin from the inside out. Whether you're facing issues like bloating, constipation, dull or aging skin, or low energy, PrimeBiome targets the root cause, your gut. If you've been dealing with uncomfortable digestion, fatigue, or you're just not happy with the look and feel of your skin, PrimeBiome was created exactly for that. It's a natural alternative that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or synthetic treatments. It supports your body from within. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with PrimeBiome, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test PrimeBiome for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for PrimeBiome to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, PrimeBiome has no side effects since it is made with natural ingredients. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying PrimeBiome from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that PrimeBiome actually helps you a lot to improve your life just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of women around the world.